Monmouth College's psychology department is set apart by a lot of our opportunities. Students have the chance to have internships, to be teaching assistants, to run their own research studies.
I am fascinated by the brain and how it works and how our mind and our behaviors interact and all that good stuff. But honestly, the faculty of the psychology department have just made the decision to get as involved as I can so easy.
They really care about our success and helping us work through things. They're not just giving us like assignments and saying, okay, like go do this, learn on your own. They're walking us through the process and helping us like truly learn the information.
If I want to get more involved, they'll find something for me. And if I'm not, like, if I don't want to like say that I want to get involved, they'll be like, you need to get involved.
If students are so inclined, there's so many ways for them to get involved, be it with research, with like internship opportunities, the peer mental health educator program, traveling abroad. There are so many things that they can do, and they leave with these, resumes and curriculum vitas. They're just so much more impressive than mine ever was.
Students have the opportunity to not only learn from different professors and what their specialty is at, but also kind of explore their own personal interests. You don't have to be a senior to start your research. If you have an interest and you want to do something here in your undergrad, go ahead and do it. Like, nobody's stopping you. The only person who's stopping you is yourself.
I can say without reservation that the students who graduate from the Monmouth Psychology Department, they are so ready for graduate school. They're so ready for the pressures and demands and stresses of graduate school when they leave. They know what to expect.
Our students in psychology are just fantastic. Many of them are interested in being helpers, right? They're going into social work, they're going into counseling and becoming therapists or school psychologists. They are here to help other people.